What's up, what's good everyone? In this video I will be face painting myself as Mangle from Five Nights at Freddy's 2. I've already face painted Freddy and Foxy and Bonnie and Chica and Nightmare Chica, Circus Baby, and I'll leave all those linked down below. And let's get started. We're just gonna get going. First, I gotta face paint on the white, because it's the lightest color and the main base color for everything. Special thanks to my mom who went out to Michael's to get me some more snazzaroo this morning. And I'm not going to be face painting my neck this time. I've done that for previous FNAF characters before, but I'm not going to do it for this one. Ah, dang it, I need to paint my ears. I still have green in my ears from yesterday. Yeah, white is horribly streaky.
Weeb Crafter says hi, friend.
Hi, friend.
Irish Cookie says hi.
Hello. I like cookies. What's your favorite cookie, Hallie, and everyone?
I like peanut butter cookies. Crafter says chocolate macadamia.
Ooh, I like that. I haven't had that one too many times. I love macadamia nut cookies though. Like regular macadamia nut cookies. Actually, I thought that's what My Hero was called the first time I heard it. I was like, My Hero Macadamia? I thought it was going to be a show about like hero cookies. Like you get your superpowers from cookies, which I mean, I guess Sato is kind of like that, right? He gets his powers from cookies.
Peanut butter stain.
Sugar cookie?
Sugar rocky. Sugar rocky.
All bite.
Tota cookie. Tota cookie.
Oh, Choco chip?
Oh, choco chip.
Mangle has pointy teeth. It kind of looks like candy corn.
Irish Cookie says, are you gonna do Todoroki cosplay?
Probably.
Saying I'm stupid.
I'm sorry. I got it. No. Just do it again. I'm fine.
Are you saying I'm stupid?
Yes!
This is the 15th.
I put way too much paint on this brush. Oh well. Let's see. Next we're gonna do pink.
And then Jordan says hi. And then
Sup.
Belle says, you're my favorite.
Oh, you guys are all my favorite. Thank you. I just love all of your comments. Just they always make my day.
Anime Crazy join.
I take it that Anime Crazy likes anime.
Anime Crazy says, oh my goodness, this is my first live seeing you.
Hey! Welcome then! I'm so glad that you're able to make it this time.
Anime Crazy says, I gonna go crazy.
Go crazy. Feel it. Gonna do my muzzle now.
User followed the host.
What? Thank you.
Crafter says, I can't go
Live.
I can't go live.
I hope you can live.
I love your Scar cosplay.
Heart, 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 heart. I usually don't like freak out over my own cosplays, but I loved being Scar.
Darth Revan has a lot of burger emojis.
Oh, now you're gonna make me hungry.
Donuts and a bunch of hearts.
Pizza!
And a heart emoji.
Okay, next I'm going to paint on the black.
This person, don't be rude, because that person said you sunk.
I sunk?
I don't know what that means, but Crafter's got your back. And now there's Chicken.
I like chicken.
Is now sending taco emojis.
Oh, I like tacos too. I just really like food.
Then Mermaid Scale says, I never ate tacos before.
Ever? Wait. Why not? I love tacos. Tacos are so good.
Crafter says, sushi is good.
Right? What's your favorite sushi? Because I like a lot. Do you guys think that I should paint a black line like from here to there and then here to there to like extend this smile? Or should I just leave it how it is? Because I'm being really indecisive about this right now.
And then Anime Crazy says, I think you should add the line.
Okay.
Crafter says, don't draw the line.
Okay, so that's one on each side. One wants the lines, another person doesn't want the lines.
Mermaid Scale says, I don't want the line. Anime Crazy says, I sent every single food emoji.
Wow. Well, thank you. Alright, I think more people are voting no on the lines, so I'll put the black down. I need to put the wig on. It's a really weird jacket, you guys. It's got like a veil here. It feels really weird. The last time I wore this was as Princess Twilight Sparkle for some My Little Pony ASL covers.
Mermaid Scale says, can you go live more?
When October hits, I've got Inktober that I'm absolutely going to do, and I'm going to film that for YouTube, and I'm thinking about live streaming on TikTok every time we do that, every day for Inktober.
Marge says, hey, you just got a new big fan.
Oh, thank you!
Megan says, OMG, are you doing Mangle?
I am, actually. I'm all done with Mangle at the moment. And that is pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, be sure to hit that like button and jump scare that subscribe button. And we will see you guys next time.